It is 10/22/2024 and I am going on vacation next week. Yay! I just want to take this opportunity to turn my vacation into a drawing tour. So I just kind of want to talk about all of the different Supernote devices that I have and how I'm going to be utilizing them as my travel diary, travel journal. So this first device is the Supernote A6X model. I purchased this one about 4 years ago and it's still going strong. So this one is I'm going to be using this as a backup device in case any other devices don't work. So this one is going to be staying in my backpack. The next one is the Supernote A5X2 model, which is the successor of the A6X model here. This is also known as the Nomad. And this is the Crystal Edition. This is going to be my daily driver. This is the one capture device that I'm going to be keeping in my backpack at all times. And I'm going to basically just sketch things on the go, loose sketches, anything that don't require fine details. And then the next device that I have is the Supernote A5X model, and this is the bigger version of the A6X line and A6X2 line. This one is going to stay at the hotel, and when I'm done with the day and I've synced my A6X2 or Nomad to my Dropbox, I'm going to then sync my A5X, which will stay at the table or the desk in the hotel, and then I will work on fine details and really fleshing out the image on this device. All right, and then which brings me to this device, which Supernote has graciously sent me the test unit for. So thank you so much to the Supernote team and the team at Rata for sending me this Supernote. Not only did they send this to me here, but they sent it a whole week in advance. So thank you so much before my vacation. So before I open this, I just want to reiterate again, this is the test unit. So anything inside of this box and the contents of this box may be different from the actual official launch. So keep that in mind. All right, so we have the Supernote, the A5X2, or otherwise known as the Manta. And then we have the half folio. Oh, I got that out without breaking anything. Okay. And this is the half folio. So I don't want this to be a review. I just want to really just unbox the items in the box and just show you what's in there. There's other reviewers out there that do a tremendous job at reviewing and going into the specifications. So I'm just going to open the box and show you what's in there. So this is the half folio. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It's autofocus, okay. And there are instructions in English and other languages in here as well. All right, this is, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it seems like it's going to be easy to clean. I'm not going to be the one to test it though. All right, this. Okay. And now what we've been wanting to unbox here is the Supernote A5X2 Manta. this box. Okay. Oh. All right. So we have the unit, and then we have a quick start guide and a USB-C 90-degree plug or cord inside the box. Let's look at this. Oh, look, there's a cute little Manta here. That's a nice touch. I like the little details like that. Alright, so just by picking it up, you can see where they've gotten the name from. It looks like a manta ray. The device itself looks very thin compared to the A5X I have here. So okay, let me take this one out of the folio. All right, so this is the A5X, and this is the Manta on this right side. So let's just see. Oh, come on, focus. Okay. So you can be the judge of that, but it looks thinner. This is the top. They kept the top USB-C port right here, which is a nice touch because I've gotten used to the port being on that side from the Nomad. They have the two slide bars on the sides now, and this is where you would attach the half folio, which we'll do in a second. And then the only thing that I am not sure on is this pen loop. I am not the most, how should I say? I don't baby my devices, so I can see where this would probably not withstand the abuse that I'm going to put this through, especially if it gets in my backpack and this is just constantly rubbing on the inside of my backpack. But we'll see. Hopefully Supernote has a easy fix for this, which I think you could probably take like screws here. Maybe I should read the instructions, but there are rubber stamps at the bottom in the corners here, so if you put the Manta on a desk here, it won't slide, which is a nice touch. And there is a latch here for the half folio. I did prepare because I knew the package, I was getting the package sometime this week. I did order the adhesive pen loops that I put on all of my Supernote devices here because I don't like when it flaps around, because when it flaps around, that's how I've gone through I don't know how many folios for this A6X model, and the pen loop would always break off because it would be flapping around. So now I just put the pen loop from the start. And I bought these USB-C covers as well, a pack of these. So on my A5X, I put these on here as well. Alright, so we're gonna try to put the folio now, the half folio on the Manta. Again, I should probably read the instructions, but I like to fly by the seat of my pants here. So we're gonna try to do it like this. Maybe put it here. And let's see. Oh, that went on pretty fast. Wait, let me do that again. Okay, this might be harder to take off than it is to put on. Well, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna click on this release latch. Oh, that was pretty fast too. Okay, well, I can put it back here. Okay, and that seems pretty easy enough. And this thing is, whoops. I'll probably break my camera before I try to break this thing. Yeah, this is oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is really light. Like, it almost makes me want to throw it, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, this is so much. This is. Let me try to put this folio on here on the A5X. Okay. Yeah, you can see the difference. Wow. And the weight. I don't know if I can feel the difference, but maybe it's my mind playing tricks on me, but this just feels lighter. I'm sure it is. Let's put the pen in here. Yeah, I don't know about this material here either. See, I don't like this flapping. I don't like that. This is going to come off on me. Okay, so I'm going to attach this somehow to this. All right, let me turn it on. I already started setting this up, so it should be. It might not be ready yet because I kept yeah, it's not ready. All right, but that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use my Nomad and sync, and then sync to this. So I probably don't even need to take my A5X. I'll probably leave this at home because I have a feeling that I'm not going to be able to sit at the desk for long. So the A5X2 Manta and the Nomad, and then this guy is going with me on the trip. So these three. And this one will be my backup at home. All right. Just a quick little update. So I put the adhesive pen loops and I attached it to the back. So now there is no flapping. And I can put it on the desk and it still sits pretty flush against the desk, so I can still write. Oh, and I found kind of a case use if I wanted to take off the half folio, like so. And then I could actually put this on the corner like this. Like this. And then if I was left-handed, I could use this as a guard. Or if I was drawing this way, I could use this as a guard for my hand so I don't activate any of these sidebars here. And that was it.